Hi, thanks for stopping by. I hope you like my unboxing and I hope you stick around to watch all of it. Per usual, I'm going to start with the lip gloss of the day, which is Marc Jacobs number 362. It's called Cha Cha Changes Enamored. It's really tiny on there, but just trust me, that's what it's called, and I really like it. And the scent of the day is Rose Gold from Tiffany's. I just got this last night. No, I'm sorry. When did I buy this? Well, whenever it was, I just opened it last night, and I will link the video at the top where I opened it, and it smells amazing. But I will warn you, it does not last. It doesn't even last maybe 2 hours, maybe three. This one does not last all day. I was super surprised, but it does smell amazing. But just forewarning, it does not last all day. It is on me. It might last all day on you, great. But for me, it's definitely not an all day scent. So there's that. And my bag of the day is my Gucci crossbody. And I will post a picture because my husband and I went to the mall and we were basically the kings and queens of Gucci. I wore my new Gucci hat, my Gucci crossbody, and my Gucci sneakers, and he wore his Gucci hat, his Gucci watch, and his Gucci sneakers. So, say it ain't so, we ended up going to Gucci. I don't know if you can see all of this, but it's a big box. So, my SA at Gucci is so nice. I just adore her. She is just awesome. I really like her. And well, I won't show you this part because you'll probably guess it. But here's the big box. And I haven't opened it since I was in the store, you know, when they bring you a fresh one. So there's that. There we go. Sorry, my chair squeaks. That's just life. Um, it is such a beautiful bag, and I saw that. What is that girl's name? I saw it before, and I did not like it. And then I saw Cassie Thorpe do a video on it, and I was like, I do like it, but I hate that the little straps don't come off. And then I asked my SA about it, and she goes, oh yeah, they come off. You don't have to have those straps on it. So I picked up, if you haven't guessed, the Diana bag from Gucci. And this is she. I think she's beautiful. There we go. And the plastic is the zip ties are to basically keep the natural bamboo in shape. And there we go. It comes with a strap, same color, but it also comes with, there it is. So that's the strap. It's a long strap too. I mean, I was really impressed with the generosity of the strap. You know, that's one thing that some other fashion houses cannot seem to pull it together with is the length of the strap, because not everyone is a size 2. So, and I get it, their items are made for thinner bodies, but you want plus size money, so figure it out. But oh my gosh, it's so cute. The ends are just like little mini hooks. I don't know if you can see that. Very cute. But the strap is generous, and it also comes with these brown spares to basically, once you're storing it, for you to put them on here after you cut these off. So it's basically a placeholder for your handles. And they also come with Gucci bands, which is what I was not 110% in love with when I saw it. So Well, actually the color of the bands, but my essay told me that there are other colors, and instead of Gucci, oh, I don't know if you can see it. Instead of Gucci, you can actually have your name put on it. So my store doesn't do it, but the Waikiki store does, and I'm thinking about it. We'll see. We'll see. But this is she. She is gorgeous. I mean, I love the leather feel, and I love that when I got her, my essay told me that Gucci farms its own bamboo. So it's not like they cut a rainforest down to make a bag. This was specifically grown for this, bag. So I was like, that's responsible, and I appreciate that. So, let's see. Some more tissue, some more padding, more tissue, more tissue, which I appreciate because I don't like to get a bag, even if it's, I don't like to get a bag that's not stored well or stuffed well, because I feel like, for the amount of money we spend on these bags, stick some tissue paper in it. So this is the inside. And I love that it has, now this is the large. The medium and the small do not have this zipped compartment on the inside, but I really like the zip compartment on the inside. I think it's generous, and it goes to the bottom. And I like the fact that you cannot get your hand from one side to the other on the inside. I like that they're completely separate, and that zipper compartment goes all the way down to the bottom. So that's a definite plus for me. And these were covering the rings for the straps. And I like that they're on opposite the back and the front, so that the bag won't tilt when you wear it, because I don't like that tilt on most bags. I don't. And the magnet, wow, the snap it's magnetic, and it's a magnetic and a snap. I like that. It's nice. So this is her. Tell me what you think. I think she's beautiful, and I think that I made the right choice. I thought about the black, but then I have a lot of black bags, and I didn't, I have enough black bags for now. But when I saw the brown and the black side by side, I was definitely sold on the brown. So this is her. And my husband and I had such a fun day. And we went to Mariposa's for lunch, which is inside Neiman's in our mall. And the lunch was actually terrible. Both of us were very disappointed. So it was just the appetizer, the lunch, even the drinks were bad. And I was like, wow, that sucks. So it is what it is. But on the way out of the mall, we had to pass Gucci again, and I slid back in. My husband just sat on the bench somewhere. He was just like, I've reached my maximum shopping capacity for the day. And he was just sitting on the little bench when I went and got back in line, because the first time I went in, I had an appointment. And then the second time, it was, a couple hours later, so I waited in line, and my essay came back. She saw me in line, and she was like, oh, I'm so sorry, did something wrong? And I said, no, I changed my mind, and I picked this up. So I had seen it the first time I was in Gucci. Oh, I'm sorry, let me dial it back to, this is gifted with the Diana bag. It's a notebook, and it's cute, and I randomly needed a notebook. And it comes with a pencil. Cute. Very cute. I just randomly needed a notebook. So my friend told me about this thing called a brain dump. So I'm going to try it with my new notebook. So back to this. I saw it, and I think that if you watched my channel more than once, I've said the phrase matchy matchy more than most people do. But that's okay. So I picked up the matchy matchy wallet, and it's got, oh, okay, that's just blue paper over it. and it has a bamboo clasp. And what I liked about it was this does not move. It's just for aesthetics only. I like the fact that if you had to turn this to open it, you're gonna break it. It's just a snap, and I liked that it was just a snap. And it has a little spot for coins, and it has 2 card slots and a deep pocket here, so that's 3, and a deep pocket on the back, and then 2 more card slots on this side, including, and this little change pouch right here. Oh, that's a silica packet. And the little change pouch. So if I wanted to stick my key fob in there or some actual change or something, and it has a slot for dollar bills, which I probably won't do that. I'll probably just wad money up and stick it in the change part. So there's that, and basically that's it. So I thought about going against the grain and getting the black wallet, but I actually love matchy, so I wanted it, and this is perfect. And I considered the wallet on chain, but you know how when you see something, you're not in love with it? I wasn't in love with it. I was in love with this. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed my video. Let me know if you have this bag, or thinking about this bag, or even looking at this bag, and let me know your opinion. Oh, it's too bright again. Let me know your opinion on the straps. So I'm thinking I probably won't use the strap, but maybe the first, couple of times I wear it, I might break down and use this strap, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. So thank you for your time. Oh, I almost forgot. I wanted to follow up with you guys on the Louis Vuitton, I think it's called the Slim Wallet. I returned it. I was not in love with it. I felt like my Saint Laurent one did the exact same thing, and I didn't like that the card slots were on the outside. If they had just put it on the inside, I would have loved it, but the fact that they were on the outside just really wasn't my vibe. And I didn't like the fact that the leather on those card slots was so soft that when I put one card in and took it out within 2 minutes, that shape, you could tell it was gonna curl, or it kept the shape of the card, and I was like, oh no, it wasn't for me. So it's beautiful, but it's not for me. So that's that. It went back, and I think that's it. So thank you for your time. Thanks for watching. I hope you push the subscribe button, and I hope you're kind to yourself and to someone else. Aloha.